Donovan Eric Maury, born the 8th of May 1981, is a Belgian football defender who currently plays for Italian club Sorrento. Career: a youth product of Standard Liège. He was signed by Luciano Gafci at his club Perugia as part of the then Serie A club's strategy to sign relatively unknown players from abroad. However, Maury never succeeded to break into the first team and was loaned out to Roda JC in November 2002, and then sold permanently to Serie C1 club Sam Benedetti, owned by Gafci as well at the time and mostly handled as a sort of Perugia reserve team. In 2003, after Gafci's exit from Sam Benedetti, Maury was sold to Serie C2 club Pro Vasto in 2004. This was followed by a number of moves within the lower ranks of Italian football until 2008, when he joined then Serie C1 club Juve Stabia. After relegation in 2009, Maury opted to stay in and became a mainstay for the team and a protagonist in two back-to-back promotions that brought the small Campanian club to Serie B in 2011. Following that, he was also awarded team captaincy at Juve Stabia. In January 2013, Donovan Maury leaves Juve Stabia to reach the Luxembourgish BGL League under the colours of F91 Dudelange. On 4 July 2013, he made his debut in European competition. He plays the game of the first-turn qualification for the UEFA Europa League against Mills Army Orhei. Donovan Maury at Football Database. Donovan Maury at Soccerway.